Hello everybody, this is Paul speaking and welcome back to the Jap-Auto-Agent YouTube channel. So today we've got another lovely car to offer, looking for a new home to go to, and this is again very nice. I mean, we keep finding these cars, and this is the typical of the type of thing I prefer and like to supply. So this is a 2018 November registered Toyota-Alphard SR automatic hybrid, 2.5 hybrid I should say. It's an auction grade 5A one owner car. Now this means 5A means it's in delivery mileage condition, which I think is stretching it a little bit for 14,000 miles, but I think they're trying to say on the report that the car is lovely, you know, and so it's been very well looked after. So it's as I say, one owner car, and it's very clean. It's got front fog lights, front fog lights and headlights, indicator door mirrors, which are also electric folding mirrors, privacy glass, rear spoiler, factory standard 17-inch alloy wheels with excellent tyres because they've only done 14,000 miles. It's got remote power doors both sides and a rear gate, so we've got 3 power doors in total. It's got a rear camera, digital rear view mirror, all round parking sensors, blind spot monitors, drive recorder. It's got a dash cam, in other words, comes with it standard. Speed adaptive radar cruise control. I get good feedback about that, people do like it. Full black leather interior with heated and ventilated front driver and passenger seats, which are also power seats. Memory, and also memory position driver seat as well, so multiple positions. Traction control, dash and flip down rear monitors with remotes, smart keys ×2, so it comes with spare keys. One of those is still in its packet from new. Rear window blinds and curtains, which you will see they roll up out of the doors. They're excellent to cut the sun out. And it's also got some aftermarket blackout curtains as well, in addition to those. So it's got auto wipers and lights, airbags. It'll have curtain airbags all around. There's the blinds, as you can see. It's got the spare wheel and tyre in the back. They don't always come with those. And the maker's original carpets. Plus it's got optional rubber mats that go over these carpets, so they can also come with the vehicle. All makers' recalls have been completed, and we also provide there's a Toyota main dealer that we send the vehicles to in Japan, who provide us with a diagnostics report for the hybrid battery and the hybrid system. So the car's only done 14,000 miles, which equates to 23,000 kilometres. And as you can see, it's pearl white in colour. So this car should land on the road in the UK at 37,925. That's a guide price that I provide. This price includes everything involved in getting the car on the road, including my commission, including shipping charges, duty, UK import duty and VAT. IVA testing. This vehicle will require an IVA test on arrival. We can arrange the IVA test while the car's in transit, and this is not a fast process. You will have to be patient while you wait for this car to arrive. The shipping time will be somewhere in between 6 to 8 weeks. The IVA test will take a time to be done, depending on how busy the garage in Southampton and how many IVA tests they've got to do, because they do quite a lot. But it will eventually be done and then registered at the DVLA. The price of 37,925 does not include UK road tax or delivery from the port of Southampton to wherever your location is. And the reason why I don't quote for that is because I don't know where, and I've got any idea where my customer is likely to be located in the UK. So so there it is. It isn't a fast process, but you're offered to buy this car, an opportunity I should say, to buy this car at the trade export price. It's the same price I would have to pay if I wanted to buy it myself. Over that, I charge a fixed commission, and the price quoted includes that commission. So I'm acting as your agent if you choose to go forward with this car. To do this, you would have to go to my website, get onto my agency appointment form, fill out the form, and then put the deposit in place, which would hold that car for you. The process is simple enough to say, like, it goes like this: 2/3 of the cost of the vehicle is actually the cost of the car plus shipping to the port of Southampton. So the first major outlay for the vehicle is the export price, and as I say, this is referred to as CNF, cargo and freight, the delivery cost of the vehicle to the port of Southampton, to approximately 2/3 of the total cost. The balance is paid when the vehicle arrives into the UK, and this is made up of port handling and customs clearance here in the UK, the duty, the VAT, the IVA testing, and the registration of the DVLA, including the conversion work to convert the Speedo to running miles per hour, which will be done when the vehicle arrives here. So, although this might sound a very complicated system, which to those who are uninitiated, yes, if you've not done this before, it will seem complicated. But I stay beside my customers and guide them through the process all the way through to registration at the DVLA. So we've got, well, I've imported thousands of cars to the UK. I have customers on the Isles of Orkney, customers on the Isles of Jersey, and in every town, city and village in between I've got customers. If you do your due diligence and search around the internet, you'll find lots of feedback and comment about the service I provide. I've literally thousands of customers all over the UK, and I have actually supplied quite a lot of these 30 series Alphards now over I would say going back to 2016. This particular 30 series model came out in January 2015. So if anybody wishes or got any questions, I would suggest you write down the questions and then give me a call, go through the questions with me over the phone. Quite happy to answer them. You don't have to feel obligated that you have to go forward with a purchase. If you're just curious and want to know more about what we do, if anything you don't fully understand, just give me a call. I'm quite happy to explain to you what the process is all about. Try and remember that every Japanese import that's on the roads in the UK went through exactly the same system. And what I'm doing is providing an opportunity for individuals to buy cars direct from the trade export market in Japan for your own personal use here in the UK. You will make a massive saving on this particular vehicle. There's the auction report. This is a very important document. Top right hand corner, 5A. You can see to the left 23,539 kilometres. So that's vital information. That's the auction report. It's all there up front. No accident damage on this vehicle at all. This is not something that somebody's trying to pull the wool over somebody's eyes. And that's an interesting display in that screen there. That's showing the electric generator. This engine is married to the electric generator. The vehicle has two electric motors, one at the front, one at the back. It's four-wheel drive, electric, and this is the reason why they're so reliable. They really are a superb vehicle, and I love supplying them because I know they're going to give my customers good service. Anyhow, give me a call and we can discuss it in more detail. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.